Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vlog. As I drive like a fucking maniac, as always. Hell, why not? We're all adults here. How you guys doing, ladies? Hopefully everybody's okay. I'm doing okay. You guys are crossing? Maybe? Gonna go locally today. Or probably I should go highway just because I clearly don't have the patience to go local. Feeling a little bit cranky. For no good damn reason at all. Besides the fact that just a little tired. That was the most bumpiest damn road ever. And this fucking guy, what is he fucking doing? I have no idea. But he's a fucking idiot. It's okay. Idiots. Idiots, schmidiots. Idiots, schmidiots. Tow truck. Tow truck, tow schmuck. What am I gonna do here? I'll go to the left. You know. Or no. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. This is like one of those confusing vlogs. I don't even know why I'm vlogging, to be honest. Because you got time. A, I am cranky. B, I am sad. C, I am poopy. D, I am caca. Mishi Yasso Rascoe. I don't know what's going on here, but we will go around just like so and go left here. So that was a weird, pointless. I had the best intentions of going local, but changed my mind. It's been a weird Monday. How? I don't even know. There's nothing particularly bad. Nothing particularly bad has happened, or you know, nothing particularly upset me in any way. It's like one of those days when you just don't feel one with the universe or whatever, you know. Happens to anyone. That's how I'm feeling right now. But at least I get to ride my bicycle still, you know. I still get to cruise. And one thing I wanted to make sure to say, oh, what car is that? Is it an Infinity? That is dope. I love it. It's like a dope little custom job. Big fan. Big fan. But yeah. I want to really give a shout out to all the sweet Patreon folks. What are you fucking doing, dude? He's in the speed lane, fucking going slow. Why? Nobody knows. And it's time to lane split. I knew this wasn't going to be a straight, easy rip the whole damn way. That's okay. It's alright. Things happen. Things happen for a reason. And here we are. back on track. Will this person move it, or will this person lose it? Hard to tell, hard to guess. Here we are. Anywho, yeah, weird vlog, but even those happen. Can't be happy go lucky every fucking day, right? All good. All good. Alright guys, girls, people, thank you so much for watching the vlog. Thank you for being a part of it. Still recording, so I'm glad that all of this high energy content was captured. Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow we'll try to figure out what's happening. Bye bye.